It seems like every day a new video pops up, promising that you can make hundreds of dollars a day using AI. From AI art to faceless YouTube channels, the internet is buzzing with so-called easy side hustles that claim you can get rich overnight. So, I decided to test it out myself. I picked 5 of the most viral AI side hustles and gave each one a full day to see what I could realistically earn. No fluff, no fake screenshots, just real results. By the end of this video, you'll know what worked, what flopped, and what's actually worth your time. Let's get started. Day 1. Selling AI art on Etsy. First up, selling AI-generated art on Etsy. I've seen tons of TikToks about this one. People are using tools like Midjourney and DALL-E to create stunning art and selling digital downloads for $5 to $20 each. I use Midjourney to generate 10 pieces of art based on popular themes like boho decor, abstract minimalism, and nature landscapes. Then I set up a brand new Etsy shop, uploaded the files, and wrote product descriptions using ChatGPT. The good news? Creating the art took less than 2 hours. And the listings look professional. The bad news? Etsy is a crowded platform, and as a new seller, getting visibility is tough. I ran a $10 Etsy ad campaign to drive traffic, and by the end of the day, I got 2 sales, each at $7.99. After Etsy's fees and ad spend, I made around $4 in profit. Not amazing, but for just a few hours of work, it's a start. With more time and better SEO, I can see this growing, but it's definitely not instant money. Day 2, ChatGPT freelancing on Fiverr. Next, I tried offering AI-powered writing services on Fiverr. This included blog posts, product descriptions, and social media captions, all generated using ChatGPT. I created 3 gig listings and priced them at $10 for basic packages. To stand out, I used Canva to design a clean thumbnail and wrote compelling gig descriptions. I also offered 24-hour delivery to attract quick buyers. Within hours, I got 1 order, a 500-word blog post about eco-friendly packaging. I used ChatGPT to generate the draft, then spent 15 minutes editing it to make it sound more human and polished. The client was happy and left a 5-star review. I earned $8 after Fiverr's cut. The verdict? There's real potential here. But the competition is fierce, and Fiverr takes time to build credibility. If you're good at editing AI-generated content and understand client needs, this can become a steady income stream. Day 3. Faceless YouTube automation with AI. Day 3 was the most exciting. I tried creating a faceless YouTube video using AI tools. The concept was to produce a short documentary-style video using ChatGPT for the script, Pictory for video creation, and 11 Labs for voiceover. I chose a trending topic, the dark side of billionaires. ChatGPT generated a compelling script in minutes. I fed the script into 11 Labs to get a realistic voiceover and used Pictory to combine stock videos, text overlays, and transitions. In total, the process took about 3 hours. I uploaded the video to a brand new YouTube channel with a catchy title and thumbnail created in Canva. Within 24 hours, the video got 150 views. Not bad for a channel with 0 subscribers. I didn't make money from ads yet, but I included affiliate links to a finance newsletter and a book in the description. One person clicked the affiliate link and signed up, earning me $3. So technically, yes, I made money, but this one has huge long-term potential. If I can consistently upload quality content, hit the algorithm, and grow an audience, this could easily turn into a $1,000 per month business. Day 4. Selling ebooks with AI writing tools. On day 4, I focused on creating and selling an AI-written ebook. This side hustle has been getting a lot of attention lately because tools like ChatGPT can help you create an entire book in a day. I chose a niche with high demand and low competition: minimalist living. I asked ChatGPT to outline a 20-page ebook and then generate each chapter with detailed, informative content. I formatted the text in Google Docs, added a cover using Canva, and published the ebook on Gumroad as a PDF download for $9.99. To promote it, I posted about it in 2 Reddit communities and shared it in a Facebook group related to minimalism. The result? 2 sales within 24 hours. That's nearly $20 in revenue. Gumroad takes a small fee, so I ended up with around $18 in profit. Not bad for a digital product I created in one afternoon. This one is extremely scalable. I could create a whole series of short niche books and build an automated passive income stream. Definitely worth exploring. Day 5. Affiliate marketing with AI landing pages. For the final day, I experimented with affiliate marketing using AI-generated landing pages. I used System.io, a free funnel builder, and ChatGPT to create a landing page that promoted an AI logo generator tool. The goal was to get people to sign up through my affiliate link. I designed a one-page site that explained the benefits of the tool, included a call to action, and used copy written entirely by ChatGPT. Then, I used Reddit and Quora to drive traffic. I found threads where people were asking about logo design, and I carefully shared my landing page link as a recommendation. By the end of the day, I had 35 visits to the site and 3 conversions. Each conversion paid me $5, so I made $15 in total. Affiliate marketing has massive potential, but you need a smart strategy to get traffic. AI can speed up the process, but you still have to know how to market effectively. What worked best? Now, let's break it down. Out of all 5 methods, here's what worked best for quick money. 1. Ebooks. Fast to create, easy to scale, and the highest one-day profit. 2. Affiliate marketing. Great for recurring income if you can drive traffic. 3. Fiverr. Writing gigs. Reliable, but slower to scale due to platform competition. 4th. YouTube automation. Amazing long-term potential, but not much short-term gain. 5. AI art on Etsy. Creative and fun, but needs time and strategy to become profitable. Total earnings. In 5 days. Etsy art sales, $4 profit. Fiverr gig, $8. YouTube affiliate link, $3 ebook. Sales, $18. Affiliate landing page, $15. Total, $48 in 5 days. Not exactly a fortune, but remember, this was just one day per hustle. If I had stuck with 1 or 2 of these and optimized them, I could realistically scale up to $100 a day within a few weeks. The biggest takeaway? AI is powerful, but it's not magic. You still need effort, strategy, and patience. These tools can speed up your workflow, help you launch faster, and reduce startup costs. But they're not going to hand you passive income overnight. So, if you're looking to make money online using AI, start small, test ideas, and double down on what works for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which hustle you want me to try next. See you in the next one.